always come back to do this 24 hours after uploading your videos on YouTube. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are cute. If this is the first time tuning in, do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. You guys always know that I try as much as possible to bring what is really important to you on your YouTube channel. This actually happened to me and I want you guys to learn from my mistake and make sure you're always coming to do this 24 hours after uploading your videos on YouTube, okay? So when it comes to YouTube, it's not just all about uploading videos and going to sleep. Yes, it's all about coming back to check in your comment section to see what is actually happening in your comment section. Especially if you have your videos going viral, you need to pay attention closely to your comment section. Now, what did I want you to come back and do after every 24 hours? Come back to your videos and pin a comment on your comment section. Pin a comment that you feel that it is comfortable with you regarding to the videos that you make, because there are a lot of people out there that are now ready to use your comment section to discourage a whole lot of people. And I've told myself that any experience I'm getting on this YouTube journey, you guys know that I'm definitely going to be sharing this with you, and that's why I'm sharing this with you guys. Someone chatted me up and the person said, Vibe with Sonia, I was watching your videos and one comment actually caught my attention, and at the end of the day I was discouraged with that comment. And this is what that comment read. I'm not going to be attaching that comment because I don't want that person's name to be here, but the comment is still on my channel, and the comment is on that video I did about how you can actually get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. Currently that video is on 260 views, okay? And the person said in the comment section, don't believe whatsoever you guys are seeing from this video. This girl is using another email or another account to comment that all of these things have been successful. And she said the moment she saw that video, she just have to click out of that video, and immediately she clicked out of that video. But because YouTube were still recommending that videos to her over and over again, she was not able to still click that video and watch that video. And after watching that video, then the next thing she did was to do what? The next thing she did was to apply exactly what I said, and to God be the glory, great things she has done. She has gotten her 1,000 subscribers. Now, what am I trying to say? If you go to your comment section, do ensure to pin a comment there that you feel it is very important to you, so that anybody that is coming across your channel will be able to see that first comment that is being pinned there. And then even before that person will go back into the comment section to be able to see some of those negative comments that people are going to be dropping for you, that person must have watched probably 1, 2, 3 minutes of your videos and passed, okay? Because no matter the good part of, or no matter the good thing you're bringing to YouTube channel, there are people there that even your success, they are not happy with your success. They are here to come and drop negative comments to chase people away. And yes, on YouTube, just expect it that you're going to be seeing both the negative comments and the positive comments. So it doesn't mean that if you're seeing the negative comments, you're going to be wiping off all the negative comments and leaving just the positive comments. There are some comments that will definitely not sit well with you. You can go ahead and delete such comments. I'm not against that. But in as much as you are doing that, try to pin comments that people will come and see. That first thing that will captivate their heart, that will make them watch, so that even if they are going into the comment section to read the remaining negative comments that is on your comments, it will not have a huge effect on your channel. That is why I said it is best for you to do this after 24 hours. And I have also learned to do this. That is why if you're checking my videos recently, you will notice that I now pin comments, okay? A lot of people might think I am pinning, and I am pinning that comment because, oh, I want people to like subscribe to that person's channel, or I want it to be the first thing that anybody that will come across my video will see. Okay, let's say in a situation whereby, what if that lady did not come back to watch that video again because of that comment? What if YouTube did not recommend that video? And you guys know that the moment YouTube keep recommending your videos to people and they are not watching, or they just click and they didn't even stay to how many, and just click out of the video, it's simply sending a signal to YouTube that this video, something is wrong with it, people are not liking it, or this or that. And that will enable YouTube to retract the attention that that video is actually going to have. So if you don't want YouTube to retract attention from your videos, if you want your videos to successfully be doing well on YouTube, please do well to pin a comment every 24 hours. Come back to check your videos and pin a comment there. Or if you're seeing any comments that you know is even captivating, or if you have commented with your second channel that we talked about in that other video that I say make sure you get a multiple channel account, make sure you pin a comment that is positive, so that everybody that is coming in to your YouTube channel it's going to be the first person to see that particular comment before they go into reading all of your negative comments. With all of this being said, please note that as a YouTuber, as a content creator, everything that you are going to do is not going to sit well with everybody. No matter how good you claim to be, no matter how polite, no matter how honest you try to be, is not going to sit well with everybody. Some people are going to find fault in what you are doing. So expect that, so that at the end of the day, you don't break out. Because I've seen a whole lot of people deleted their YouTube channel. A whole lot of people stop posting on their YouTube channel because of some negative comments. So don't put those negative comments in between, and don't say, oh, I'm deleting all of those negative comments like I've said. Let people have their opinion, and also reciprocate to those people with love. If you check that comment, I have to reply that lady with love, and I have to tell her that I think you have not really watched that video, this particular video, to the point that you're supposed to watch before dropping a comment. So I left a very good and engaging comment for her, so that she don't feel bad, so that even if they are even trying to like drop a bad comment on your channel, so that it's going to be having a negative impact on your channel, because you respond to them with love, they might have their mindsets done. And most of these people, trust me, they love what you are doing. Most of these people dropping those negative comments, they love what you are doing. They are gaining from what you are doing. They are enjoying what you are doing. But because they just feel like they just want to come and drop comments, they will just go ahead and twist the comments in another way. So be mindful of your comment section. It is very, very important. Be mindful of people watching. Be mindful of people commenting. Always go back to your YouTube studio after 24 hours to check your analytics and what is happening in the comment section. Is it relating to your videos? Is it not relating to your videos? Are people spamming comments there? Anything you want to say at all, check it, and trust me, your YouTube journey is going to be successful. Lastly, no matter how difficult it is, don't give up on YouTube. Your journey is going to pay. I know how hard it is. I know how sad it is. I've always been in your shoe. I'm still in your shoe at some point. But I always tell you, I'm always here for you to cry on. I'm always there for you to run through. And if you've not joined our masterclass, what are you waiting for? We have a class where we do channel reviews, and we check your channel, we see what is happening, and we tell you how you can be able to go ahead of your channel, share with you some niches that you can actually do to help you skyrocket. All you need to do is to send us a mail through this mail you're seeing, and let us know that you are interested. And trust me, everything concerning your channel before 2025, we are going to reset it. So thank you so much for staying thick and hook me to the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed, haba, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe, because your subscription, I really need it. I need it. And if you have been doing vibes to vibes in the comment section, please vibe the right way, so that at the end of the day, those people don't end up losing their words, their vibings. And yes, with that being said, with no further ado, I do like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.